so these are all the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need whatever type of salad mix that you're using. I'm going to be using spring mix. We're going to need whole corn, black beans, whatever type of chicken. Today I'm going to be using this popcorn chicken, but you could also do grilled chicken, or you could actually cook your own chicken instead of using this, but it's just faster and easier. Cucumber, cheese, and we're going to do some hot sauce and ranch dressing for the dressing. You could also add like tomatoes and quinoa to it, but this is what I am doing today. And let's go ahead and get started. First thing I did is I did go ahead and drain out the water for the corn. So I'm going to go ahead and season it. So since this is a Southwest salad, I'm just going to use a little bit of tahini. Okay, maybe a lot. And then I'm going to add a little bit of parsley. Once again, I drained all of the liquid out of the beans, just like I did the corn. And I'm just adding a little bit of parsley, a little bit of black pepper, and that is it. And then in this pan, I'm going to go ahead and just put a couple. These are in cans. They are pre-cooked, so we don't need it to let it cook too long. Really, I'm just heating it up so that the season can mix into it, and plus it is a salad, so you don't really want hot food in there, but I am going to cook these. And then I'm going to just let that cook, and then at the end we'll assemble the salad. Okay, while we wait, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I make the sauce. So it's just ranch dressing of your choice. And then just hot sauce. I like mine kind of spicy, so I put a lot. Okay, so I had already started assembling the salad, but then I was like, duh, I'm filming this, so let me just keep going down. So I just add the corn, and the beans, I already added the cheese there. We're going to add the cucumbers. Literally, I'm just doing it this way so you guys can see each ingredient. You could also add like tomatoes, croutons, whatever it is you want to add to it. We're going to throw in the popcorn chicken. That is it. That is your salad. So then you'll just be able to top it with your dressing as you please. And that's it, guys. It's me.